So here we are in Amarillo RV Park. It's the Oasis RV Resort.
Yes.
And how was the trip in, Rosalind?
It's perfect. I have no mascara though. That's the very low, the very bottom of the trip. It's been no mascara. The best part about it is we made it here without any tragedies, travesties, problems.
This is our first long trip in the Airstream for Airstream Travels. And we made it here on 2 tanks of gas because my car just told me, surprisingly enough, that it is empty. Anyway,
I didn't know that.
it just texted me on my phone. Can you believe that?
I think that's
Those Jeeps are
perfect.
amazing. Anyway, we are headed to breakfast with Bobby and Luke somewhere in Amarillo. More to come. So here we are at the Oasis RV Resort in Amarillo, Texas, and we're in site 163, as you can see. And I'm just gonna do a quick drive around of this place. It is a large RV park, and it looks like there's a lot of full-timers in here and a lot of rental units, but we got here last night, and I would say out of probably close to 200 RV slots here, there was only 11 that they showed us open last night. So you can see lots of Airstreams here, but basically it's a really clean park. Lots of room here. I am going to the dumpsters here. There's multiple types of dumpsters, multiple bathrooms. I'll be right back. All right. So again, not fancy by any stretch of the imagination, but lots going on here in terms of facilities. Not a lot of ambiance, so I wouldn't give it a 10 on that. But it's closed for the winter, but you can see on the right a little bit of playground equipment. This is their swimming pool and spa, game room, outdoor restrooms to support the swimming pool and spa and the game room. Here's, you can kind of see the entrance sign. There's cabins here on the right. It's right off of Arnott Street and I-40, just to the west of Amarillo proper. And here's a bunch of cabins on the right. There's one of the many wash-through facilities, or wash where you can shower, use the restrooms, wash your clothes. Here's one of those right here. A lot of spots open over here today, so I don't know what happened, but you can tell by the size of the propane tanks that a lot of full-timers live in these things here. But it's kind of out in the middle of the nowhere. You pull down the street to it and you go, there's, where are we headed? And then all of a sudden you come onto it. But like a lot of things in Amarillo, they just are kind of out in the middle of the prairie, because that's mostly what you got out here. And so I would say this: clean paved spots, easy hookups, everything works, level spots for your vehicles. And I'm going to stop right here for a minute and we'll be back. Okay, back on tour. That restroom was really nice. You had your own private restroom with toilet and private shower, private sink, so it was quite nice actually. Very clean, and it looks like there's like 5 of them in a pod, so that's not all bad. Got these nice cabins on the right. I mentioned those earlier. Kind of backed it around to the front, many dump spots, but again, very, 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 very clean. I bet a lot of folks traveling across this part of the U.S. stop here. There's several around here, but here's another one of those pods with the bathrooms in it. Kind of back up to the entrance here. It is a good sand place. So I've kind of come around it, but whole bunch of units. This is the main room here. They serve food throughout the day, but now I'm coming in the entrance. Welcome to the Oasis Resort. Got their buried RV here just on Cadillac Ranch, which is probably just 2 miles down the road. There's propane available. More dumpsters. Looks like a maintenance shed over here. Place for people park and store stuff. But I'm pulling back around, so I've kind of looped around the entire resort now, and sure enough, I'm the only Airstream here. A lot of big units here, and then there's my baby International 25, so I'm not going to trade with any of them. All right, here we are.